That's right. Today on Kids Krafts, we're going to make a pine cone bird feeder. You know what one of my favorite things about summer is? Do you know?
No.
No? Is when you wake up in the morning and you have your window open and you can hear the birds singing. I think that is so cool. Do you like that?
Yeah.
Yeah? And you know one way to get more birds into your yard is to make bird feeders for them. So that's what we're going to make today.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you know what else is really cool?
So we just make it and then tell the world we make it?
Yeah, we'll make it in just a second. But you know what else is really cool?
No.
The Bible talks about birds. Did you know that?
No.
Yeah, the Bible talks about birds too. It says that God takes care of even the tiniest little birds, the little sparrows. But what's even more important is that God takes care of us. So, today when we make our bird feeder, we're going to remember that God takes care of even the little birds and he takes care of us. And you know what? Tomorrow you can pick up your very own stuff to make your own bird feeder at our Neighbor to Neighbor kit giveaway. So tomorrow from 2 to 4 at Maranatha Christian Reformed Church at 260 McGill Boulevard West, come and pick up your Neighbor to Neighbor kit, and it will have everything you need to make your own bird feeders. And you can remember then that God will take care of you and the little birds. Can you sit up?
Can
All right.
we just make it now?
All right, should we make it now?
Yeah.
All right, so let's get crafting.